Here are 8 tips for those new to pattern making. I'm Alice, an associate of Stella, and this guide will help you get comfortable in your new fashion journey. Tip number 1. Understanding the basics. Familiarize yourself with key terms like grain line, seam allowance, notches, and darts. Tip number 2. Take precise measurements. Ensure accurate measurements by following a reliable measurement guide for bust, waist, hips, and other relevant areas. Tip number 3. Start with simple patterns. Begin with basic silhouettes like a straight skirt or a simple top to build a strong foundation. Tip number 4. Create muslin prototypes. Use inexpensive fabric like muslin to create mock-ups and test patterns before cutting into expensive materials. Tip number 5. Master pattern alterations. Learn how to adjust patterns to fit different body types by adding or reducing width, length, or curves. Tip number 6. Explore pattern making software. Experiment with pattern making software like Adobe Illustrator or specialized programs to streamline the process. Tip number 7. Learn from online resources. Tap into online tutorials, blogs, and forums to learn new techniques, troubleshoot problems, and connect with other pattern makers. Tip number 8. Practice, practice, practice. Pattern making is a skill that improves with practice. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities and keep honing your craft. Remember, pattern making is a creative and rewarding process. So, roll up your sleeves, grab your tools, and let your imagination run wild. Happy pattern making!